Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing XRP and Hbar. More frustration or takeoff? It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $50 off, and you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including Ripple and Hedera. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let us see what is happening with the communities of Hbar and XRP. Anything new? So let's start with Hbar. Let's see what's new. So guys, this is from Mike. Attention, Hedera Hbar. They just invested another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 50 million, yeah, 50 million into TuneF TuneF official. Okay, jam token basically. I am simply providing information, and this is as of 10 hours ago news. In addition to my post yesterday, folks are concerned about dumping tokens. Okay, so not entirely about Hedera, but saying that Hedera has invested in jam token. So this is from Birdman, a cool name. Just a friendly reminder that Hbar has bullish divergence on the weekly time frame, 3-day time frame, and the daily time frame. This is 5 hours ago, by the way. Some technical analysis, and I have not seen anyone mention this yet, but we have monthly bullish divergence. Bigger time frame divergence like this suggests Hbar is bottoming and could experience a trend reversal very soon. Okay, some more technical analysis over here. The macro chart from Randy Lawrence. Hbar has spent 620 days. Macro target 1, 44 cents. Macro target 2, $1.25. Main target. Macro target 3, $3.25. Aggressive blow off top target, basically, guys. The target that basically acts aggressively beyond the 1.25 level, guys. So let's hope it goes this way, because according to this post, a huge accumulation period of 623 days has been formed over here. You guys can check out this around over here. Yeah, let's see. Time will tell. Mason vs. Lewis, Australian digital dollar stable coin built on Hbar. We're excited to see that AUDD Digital from AUDC is leveraging the Hedera network to launch Odd, or basically Odd token, the premier Australian digital dollar stable coin, as a Hedera token service token, HTS token, guys. So this is how Hedera, projects like Hedera, guys, they are making waves by collaborating with entire states, guys, like Australia. Here's what Hbar holders should know. So talking about Takeoff, and now talking about some frustration from the investors, guys. We basically talk about both of the sides, guys, good and the bad, frustration and takeoffs. Here's what Hbar holders should know. 36.96 billion of Hbar has been released. Basically, 13.04 billion will be released gradually with no fixed schedule. So I guess we have to deal with diluted market price for years to come. This isn't something to complain about. However, as it has been explained in the white paper years ago, the question is, do Hbar holders know about this fact? Considering the complaints on X, I doubt many holders aren't aware of this. A reminder, do your own research before investing in any coins. Hbar price diluted by token releases. 37 billion tokens released, still 13 billion to go. Guys, in terms of this, we always need to look at the overall max market cap and what these tokens are going to be worth in the future. The if the Hedera or Hbar use case is what people indeed are saying, the proponents are saying, that then guys, even these 37 billion won't be enough to basically keep the demand from all-time highs. Basically, everyone would want a piece of it. So let's see. Time will tell, obviously. Okay, so H bar powered by Hangover EW. For many of us long-time H bar holders, sometimes hodling our bag is very hard, considering what's happening behind Hedera closed doors. While all you noobs and paper hands complain about governing members not doing anything, dilution of supply, funds mismanagement, and whatever else, there are traders out there who look at the charts and know H bar will eventually pump this cycle. So we've have we come back down to technical analysis as the savior of a utility coin? Time will tell, guys. By the way, let's see what XRP is doing, guys. Any good post, any new post when it comes to XRP? By the way, guys, XRP is up 5.22% in the last 24 hours as well. So it is good, 56 cents. Good considering the recent price action, but guys, those of you who are holding for years now, I know the frustration. Anyways, look at this. 10 hours ago, Moon Lambo XRP price spikes 8% on news that Grayscale is relaunching their XRP trust. It was dissolved in early 2021 after the SEC attacked XRP holders. And guys, you know that XRP or Ripple has an upper hand when it comes to the SEC lawsuit, the SEC case. They have really stood their own. So it is really good for not only XRP guys, but the crypto industry as a whole. In my opinion, although there are a lot of people who hate XRP as the banker's coin and a lot of different reasons, but the victory of XRP will be the victory of the entire industry, guys. The billionaire deliberately went on the SpaceX Polaris Dawn mission just to see from space the green candle of XRP. I mean, this is really a cool post over here, guys. Okay. Oh, an interesting post. Yeah, such a big candle, guys. Green candle to the moon, huh? Let's hope this becomes a reality because people are obviously frustrated a lot for holding for years. Well, that was fun. We can go back to sleep now. Wake me up when September ends. Okay. Let's hope that the future of XRP is bright and we see more of these guys, these huge candles. Let's see. Here comes Wall Street. We are proud to announce the creation of a new single asset crypto investment fund, Grayscale XRP Trust, which will be available through private placement. Okay. What else do we have? Send everything. Like I've been saying, XRP has the clear runway for takeoff this cycle. Ripple won the lion's share of the lawsuit, XRP relisted on exchanges, and now Grayscale is launching a trust again. Haters gonna hate, but facts are facts. So I'm glad that some positivity from XRP, because guys, oftentimes when I used to see XRP X handle and what's happening from the community, a lot of pessimism and frustration. I'm glad that even for a little while, if we have some optimism, it is good. Slowly but surely helping the normies get out of XRP. If you hold XRP, please reconsider your life choices and invest in anything else except Cardano. Never go that low. Hey, I'm helping my friend's mom with crypto. She has it in a gold wallet. How does she get it out? What's she trying to do with it? What coin? Let me ask. XRP. She's trying to get it out before it goes down. Okay. So, different opinions, but look at this. But they won the lawsuit. Trolls. Only invest in the best. AI is the future. Okay. Glad someone had the balls to say it. Different opinions, guys, obviously. but rightfully so. Throughout the years, XRP obviously has remained stale. So it is legit. The opinions are indeed justified as well, to a certain extent. Grayscale is launching the first official XRP trust in the US. This marks a potential step towards an XRP ETF. Regardless, guys, there are bullish facts as well like this. Every XRP holder must read these facts. Grayscale paving the way for an XRP ETF. RLUSD will bring massive liquidity. The SEC versus Ripple case is finally over. Ripple has partnerships with the most powerful banks and corporations in the world. The XRPL is the fastest, cheapest, and safest blockchain. No delays, no gas fees, no bullshit. X meme coin XRPL is finally bringing the meme coin action, but guys, we do not need meme coins if we're built upon use cases and utility. But obviously, guys, these hypes work as well, but I do not see a reason for meme coins, guys. Meme coins outperform regular coins. It is up 400% since launch. So basically, an XRP post to promote this meme coin, I think it is sort of that sort of post. Anyways, XRP and these coins are known for their potential utility. So memes, I do not think that should be promoted or associated with them if their use case is legit. Anyways, guys, what do you guys think about both XRP and Hbar and XRP? Do you think that most frustration is headed their way, or do you think that they are ready for takeoff eventually or now? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.